Hi, friends. This is the reading lesson for second grade. This is part 1, and the next video will be part 2. We are going to read a story today called The Troll Returns, and this is a sequel to the Three Billy Goats Gruff. A sequel means it comes after the first story or the first movie. We are going to read this. We are going to highlight as we read, and then we will write some story events while we are reading. We are going to read paragraphs 1 through 15 today, and then we will finish the story tomorrow. So, first, what I would like you to do is I want you to make sure that your booklets are open to page 30. You have a pencil and you have a highlighter. And when you're ready, we will get started.
Extended Read 2. Remember to annotate as you read.
The Troll Returns, a sequel to The Three Billy Goats Gruff, by Geoffrey First. Once upon a time, a mean troll guarded a bridge over a river. "Stay away!" Troll roared when anyone came near the bridge. His roar made a lion's roar sound like a mouse's squeak. But that was once upon a time. Big Billy Goat Gruff was not scared of Troll. He knocked Troll off that bridge. Trip trap, trip trap. Big Billy Goat Gruff and his brothers ate the tasty grass on the other side.
So these first 3 paragraphs are kind of just reviewing what happened in the first story called The Three Billy Goats Gruff. So we don't really need to do any highlighting here, but we will do some highlighting starting in paragraph 4.
Splash! Troll fell into the river. "It's my bridge!" yelled Troll as he floated down the river. "Mine! Miney mine!" Steam came out of his ears. He was so mad. Then Troll saw an ad for politeness school.
Okay, so let's stop there. So we know that Troll gets knocked off into the water from Big Billy Goat, and he's so mad, right? And then, as he's floating down the river, what does he see? He sees a sign or an ad, like an advertisement, for a politeness school. So that is probably going to be pretty important, right? Okay, let's keep reading.
Troll read the ad. "Do you get mad easily? Do you yell a lot?" "Yes, and yes," thought Troll. "Would you like to have friends?" "Friends," thought Troll. "Gee, I never had any friends before." "Come to politeness school. Learn to be nice." "Nice? I do not know how to be nice." "Oh, well," said Troll. "Since I am floating toward that school, I might as well try it."
Okay, so after seeing the ad for politeness school, what does Troll decide to do? He's going to go to politeness school to learn to be nice. So the ad says, "Come to politeness school, learn to be nice." And Troll's like, well, since I'm floating toward the school, I might as well do it, right? Okay, let's keep reading.
Politeness school was hard work. Troll learned to smile. He learned to say, "Please," "Thank you," and "Have a nice day." Troll was the best student in the class. He was also the only student in the class. Troll was now nice. He had a diploma to prove it. He went back up the river to his grassy hill. Billy goats by the dozens crossed the bridge. Dozens more were eating his grass. Troll did not get mad. He said, "Hello, goats!" A big smile filled his face, though it kind of looked like he had a toothache. "Oh no! Troll is back!" cried a tiny billy goat. "Run for your life!"
Okay, so Troll goes to politeness school. He learns all these different things, and now he is all of a sudden what? He's nice, right? And he sees all these billy goats on the other side of the bridge, and he says, "Hello, goats." And he didn't get mad. But the goats remember the old troll. What does the little tiny goat say? "Oh no! Troll is back! Run for your life!" Right? Poor troll. Let's see what happens.
"Wait," said Troll. "Do not run. I am not mean anymore. I will not yell. I will not roar." He showed them his report card from politeness school. Great big Billy Goat Gruff looked at the smiling Troll. "You are nice now?" he asked. "Oh, yes, I am. And thank you for noticing," said Troll.
Okay, so Troll has to explain himself, right? What does he tell the goats that he's not going to do anymore? Go ahead and look back in paragraph 13, and I want you to highlight what Troll says he's not going to do anymore. Did you find it? He says, "I will not yell. I will not roar." And let's highlight this part too. "I am not mean anymore." And so Big Billy Goat goes up and he talks to him. He said, "You are nice now?" And Troll says, "Yes, thank you for noticing." So the story could end here, right? The goats know he's nice. He's going to let them eat the grass. But guess what? It doesn't end here. We are going to stop reading it for today. However, tomorrow we're going to finish reading and see what happens to Troll. What do you think? Does he stay nice? I don't know. You'll have to wait and see. So go ahead and put the cap on your highlighter. We're going to flip back to page 30, and we're going to write a few story events. So story event number 1. So let's go ahead and write story event 1, and we'll put a colon. Do you remember that from last week? So I want you to refer back to paragraph 4. Troll is mad. Why? Troll is mad that the goats crossed the bridge, right? And as he's floating down the river and being so angry and mad, he sees an ad for what? Go ahead and write it in. Politeness school. Good. If you need to pause the video to finish writing that, go ahead. Over here, we're going to write story event 2. So what does Troll decide to do? Think back to paragraph 8. Look and see what we highlighted. Since I'm floating toward that school, I might as well try it. So Troll goes to politeness school. Okay, again, whoops. If you need to pause the story or pause the video to finish writing, please do so. When you're ready, press play. Now let's look at page 32. We're going to write our next story event right here. So this one is called Story Event 3. And we know that Troll was nice, right? But even though he was nice, what happened? The goats are still afraid of him. So when Troll returns home, the goats are afraid of him. Oh, poor Troll. And then on page 33, we'll write our last story event for today. This one's called Story Event 4. And what does Troll do? He doesn't get mad. He doesn't yell. What does he tell the goats? I want you to try and write story event 4 on your own. I will give you a sentence starter. Troll explains what? What does Troll explain? Go ahead and pause the video and write it. Troll explains that he is not mean anymore, right? If you wrote it a little differently, that's fine, but you need to write something about Troll not being mean anymore. All right, so I want you to start thinking, what's going to happen in the next half of this story? Is Troll going to continue being nice? Or will he be reminded that he's a troll and trolls can be mean? You'll have to wait and see till tomorrow. That's it for today, friends. Great job. See you later.